heavy downpour that happened in the month of May, तशें परत जावंक ना.
The पेडेन the service road up opposite side. ते block जावन उरता ते full.
थंय कितें जालां, that is a flaw in the design of that road construction. There is like a saucer situation that has taken place there. They are working on a solution तर कितें पायप घालून सकयल व्हरपा खातीर टेम्पररी सोल्युशन काडटा म्हणून अशें सांगलेलें आसा डिपार्टमेंटान म्हाका. पण जाता तितलें बेगीन करचें कारण तो फूल रोड inaccessible जाता, and that causes a lot of load on the existing road which is the Pede junction. That also is we already have enough problems with regards to that road, but with the flooding of that service road, it causes more load on the current existing road.
What is the update of Ravindra Bhavan right now?
See, Ravindra Bhavan right now, the department is with Honorable Chief Minister. It has to be taken up from his department now. It is his responsibility to take it forward. I have already had a dialogue with him, and he has assured it will be done. So तुम्ही तेका Honorable CMाकूय विचारात की म्हापसा रवींद्र भवना बद्दल कितें प्रोग्रेस जाला. Because Bab Govind Gowde असले तेन्ना we were personally working on a one-to-one basis to ensure that that project went through as soon as possible. He had told me 6 म्हयने भितर जातलें म्हणून.
Sir,
आता निमणे कितें आसा, after the reshuffle, after the change in the minister, whether they will give a new art and culture minister or not give art and culture portfolio, I am not aware of what decision the government is going to take. But ultimately, Ravindra Bhavan still remains the priority of the people of Mapsa and the people of Bardes. It is not my demand, लोकांचो demand. So सरकारान seriously हेजेर विचार करचे पडटले की ते करपाक जाय काय नाका. तुम्ही म्हाकाच विचारता परत परत, आमी व्हरोन सरकारा कडेन म्हणटा, निमाणें सरकारान उत्तर दिवंक जाय की हे करपाचें आसा काय ना. So now you ask the relevant minister. Last time honorable minister Bab Govind Gowden सांगले की कुमनी दादा कडल्यान हेका रावल्ले म्हणून. तर कुमनी दादान दिल्लेलें आसा, आतां सरकारान थारोवचें कितें करपाचें आहा काय ना करपाचें. So you all ask a specific question to honorable art and culture minister right now, which is currently with the honorable chief minister, ki what is the decision with regards to Mapsa Ravindra Bhavan.
तुम्ही सर सराकडे उलयतले चीफ मिनिस्टराकडे उलयतले.
आमी ऑलरेडी उलयल्ले आसा. निमाणें कितें आसा, ही इज होल्डिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पोर्टफोलियो. ही हॅज टू टेक अ डिसिजन ऑन कोणाक तरी घालचें पडटलें, त्या हेजेर टास्क फोर्स करचें पडटलें आनी तेजेर एक मनीस घालचें पडटलें, बाबा हे तूं पळय म्हणून. नाल्यार डायरेक्टराक इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिवचें पडटलें की रवींद्र भवन फास्ट ट्रॅक करचें आनी एक 1 विंडो अप्रुवलान करून दिवचें म्हणून बार्देसकारांक. 7 constituencies are there in Bardes. All 7 constituencies are relying on this Ravindra Bhavan. It is not like some internal constituencies थंय आसा कलाकार आसा, पूण जे तर्फेन म्हापशा कलाकार आसा, बार्देजान कलाकार आसा, खंय तरी तांकां इनजस्टीस जाता. And I appeal to all remaining 6 MLAs from Bardes to ensure that I have their support to make sure Ravindra Bhavan takes place in Mapsa.
सर फाटी तो कमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स इनॉग्रेट जालो, सो ते सर बंद आसा, ते पेपर वर्क बीन कितें.
There was some query that was raised by the NGPDA. They have complied, and now NGPDA has done inspection and they will issue the completion certificate on priority.
Sir, Mapsa will be next smart city. त्या प्रोजेक्टाचेर कितें अपडेट
I do not want to comment on smart city. सद्याक smart city बद्दल खूब negative publicity झालेलें आसा. There are a lot of good things, there are a lot of bad things that have taken place. I want to ensure that we have our basic infrastructure in place before doing any kind of smart city. First, we need to have our basic foundation correct. लोकांक सारकें उदीक गावंक जाय, लोकांक सारकें लायट गावंक जाय. लायटीचो विशय ऑलरेडी सॉल्व केलेलो आसा. उदकाचो विशय अजुनूय चालू आसा. इट इज नॉट कंप्लिटेड. म्हणून तुमी विचारता पळय रोड बरे ना, म्हापशान रस्ते बरे ना, खंय रस्ते पिड्यार आसा पळय थंय अंडरग्रावंड वॉटर पायपलायना खातीर आनी अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंगा खातीर रोड पिड्यार आसा. अदरवायज 80% ऑफ माय रोड्स आर इन गुड कंडिशन. तुम्ही जर जाय जाल्यार ह्याच म्हज्या वांगडा आमी सर्वे करता.
म्हापसा कितें आसा, वयले दोंगरा वयले सगळे उदक सकयल येता आनी तेका लागून ते
म्हापसा इज अ हिली सिटी. फूल सिटी इज ऑन द हिल.
ना तेच्या
Whole city is on the hill and pressure at a low lying area. And that is why we are committed to ensure that there is no land filling taking place. Land filling खंय जाता पळय, आमी कलेक्टरा कडेन उलोवन, डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा उलोवन वी हॅव इनिशिएटेड स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन. जायती शेतां खंय दिसता पळय, आमकां गिरवड्या दिसता, सगळीं शेतां पुरयली. That is all low lying area. You go and see, it is flooded. Such a situation will not arise in Mapsa because we do not allow any land filling in Mapsa constituency. आता तुम्ही म्हापशा म्हणून आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी दाखोवन म्हणनाका म्हापशा म्हणून. देर इज लॉट ऑफ लँड फिलिंग टेकिंग प्लेस इन म्हापसा पार्ट ऑफ आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सो दॅट तुम्ही हायलायट करा.
थँक्यू सर.